My name is Vishnu Gopal TV. I am a legal intern at Lexus and Company. I am from Cooperative School of Law, Kerala. I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB Honors. So today's topic for this video is prohibition of discrimination. The purpose of this video is to speak about the prohibition of discrimination, which has been mentioned in Article 15 of the Indian Constitution. So Article 15 of the Indian Constitution, it prohibits any sort of discrimination on the ground of religion, race, and birthplace. So the thing that has to be noted here is that the prohibition of place of birth, which has been found in this Article 15 clause 1, is different from residence. Here discrimination on the ground of residence is not bad. So there is a need to look on to this Article 15 in a detailed manner. So in order to better understand the Article 15 of the Indian Constitution, there is a need to analyze some of the important judgments which has been made by the courts. So in the famous case D.P. Joshi versus State of Madhya Pradesh, the Supreme Court held that the fee concession given to the residents of Madhya Pradesh for admission to the medical colleges is not discriminatory under Article 15 clause 1, clause 2 and 3 of the Indian Constitution. So this Article 15 clause 3 deals with the reservation in favor of the women and children, and in one of the famous case Vijay Lakshmi versus Punjab University, the rules of Punjab University calendar providing for the appointment of a lady principal to the women's colleges cannot be held as violative of Article 14 and Article 16 of the Indian Constitution. So here the court held that the classification was reasonable, and the object is to be achieved here was to prevent the exploitation against the girl students. So we have analyzed two cases, D.P. Joshi versus State of Madhya Pradesh, and the second case is Vijay Lakshmi versus Punjab University. So in Article 15 clause 4 of the Indian Constitution, it deals with the reservation in favor of backward classes. So here also there is a need to analyze one case, that is in State of Madras versus Chempakam Dorairajan case. Here the Madras government had reserved seats in the state medical and engineering colleges for the different communities in a certain proportion on the basis of their religion, caste and race. So the state defended the law on the ground that it aims to promote this social justice for all sections of the people under Article 46 of the Indian Constitution. So but the court held that the law is void since the discrimination is on the basis of caste and religion is irrespective of merit. So that has to be noted. So here, in order to overcome the effect of the decision in this Chempakam Dorairajan case, the Constitution was amended and Article 15 clause 4 was added. And here the backward class under Article 15 clause 4 of the Indian Constitution is socially and educationally backward classes. So and also under Article 340 of the Indian Constitution, the President is empowered to appoint a commission to investigate the conditions of these socially and educationally backward classes, and upon the basis of that commission's report, the President will specify these backward classes. So there is a need to analyze another case, that is Indra Swani versus Union of India. So in Indra Swani versus Union of India, here the court clearly held that the subclassification of the backward classes into more backward class can be done for the purpose of Article 15 clause 4 of the Indian Constitution. So but due to the subclassification, the reservation policy cannot exceed 50%. The decision in Balaji versus State of Mysore case was clearly disapproved here, or clearly disapproved in this case. So upon the 93rd Amendment Act 2005, Article 15 clause 5 was inserted, which empowers the state to make any special provision for the advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes, and also provisions relating to their admission in private educational institutions. So hence, while analyzing these things, it is clearly evident that Article 15 of the Indian Constitution has got its own importance in prohibiting discrimination. So that's all about my topic. So you can like, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Let's Click. Please give me a feedback regarding this video, and if you have any questions relating to this video, you may please comment the question in the comment box. I will be replying as soon as possible. This video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. So by saying these words, I am concluding. Thank you.